how to change TikTok date of birth. To get started, first, let's open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we are now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can share your posts and view the contents. From this page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, you need to tap on the 3 bars at the top right corner. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down to Report a Problem. Now, tap on the section Account and Profile. Then go to the option Editing Profile. Once you're on this page, tap on the other option. Look for the solution in this page. If you still couldn't manage to find it, tap on to Need More Help. Now, type the issue regarding your birth date here in this box. Once you're done typing the issue, hit the Submit button at the bottom. TikTok will get back to you with a solution shortly. So by following these steps, TikTok will help you to change the date of birth.